Consul General of Korea celebrates National Foundation Day in Karachi. In a remarkable display of cultural diplomacy and international camaraderie, the Consul General of Korea, His Excellency Mr. Yi Sugho, hosted a reception to commemorate the National Foundation Day of Korea. The event, held at a prominent local hotel in Karachi. Chief guest at this prestigious occasion was Mr. Kamran Khan Tessori, Governor of Sindh. The soirée witnessed the gracious presence of several foreign dignitaries,